Guys, we finally got this shit off. Bought some Husky air tools. This is not an advertised thing, and they work great actually. It's nice to have air tools. This is like pit crew status, right?
Yep.
Look at that. But yeah, we're gonna work on this bitch. We're gonna do multiple things. I'll take you throughout the day, and yeah. What do right now?
We're gonna take out your
fucking alternator, right?
Yeah, your alternator and your.
Because he's complaining that makes noises.
It does. I just don't want you to lose teeth on, dude.
Alright.
Then,
Alex being the homie. Alright, and yeah, we're gonna do the radiator. I'm selling this radiator, by the way. I need to take off this stupid sticker. Yeah, I'm taking this off. Yeah, it'll come off right now.
Just fucking focus.
Yeah, and then
This is why it takes so long.
Yeah, this is why it takes so long for us to do shit. Yeah, so radiator, alternator. I got Mishmoto fans, and yeah, we're gonna have some fun today. Oh, and axle.
Yeah, more importantly, the axle.
Well, we're in the front. Do it. Let's do it.
Yeah, we had to fix the spacers.
Yeah, so fuck it. So Alex, you replaced the alternator with the KA alternator.
Okay, dual cam.
Yeah, dual cam alternator. All you have to do is drill this out.
And we got chicken bake.
Woo! All right, we're having fun. And then we got. What's up, Rick? How's it going, man? And then we got this goodie right here. Look at this. Look how beautiful this is, guys. The fucking Koyo.
It'll be on the inside.
Hey, no, this goes on the outside.
It's going in front of your.
Shut up. No, but yeah, we got the Koyo. Shut up, Alex. Ruining my life right now. All right. And then we got the Mishmoto fucking beast ass fans. You like that? Like that?
Too tight, Rich?
Nice. Yeah,
Do you think that holds too tight?
What?
Here you go.
Yeah. So looks good. So yeah.
I gave him to him because I thought he'd see you
This is dope.
faster.
Hey guys, it's the next day and we are installing some shit. So I got new rad hoses. Those are the new radiator hoses. And I thought the S13 and S14 fan shrouds are the same and the radiators are the same, but they're not. So at first, we tried to mock up this S13 fan shroud. That didn't work. So I had this fan shroud that my my old boss gave me. Well, now he's my friend. I hang out with him. Like it was for his truck and it didn't fit. So I kind of just made it fit. It was a free shit fan shroud and it actually works. So so this fan shroud that he gave me was like really tall and really big, so I just chopped off the ends and then I went and chopped off the ends on both sides, and that's how I'm holding it together. I cut the fan shroud here and then I bolted some holes and cut it there so it can clear that, and then I cut it for the hoses. Well, the fan shroud was so big that I could literally drill a hole through here and bolt it, so that's what I did. And then on the bottom, so it's like touching right here, like it's all touching against the rad. I just put some holes on the bottom and I zip tie. Well, I put cotter pins and it's sturdy, and then I zip tied the end so it doesn't pop through the head. The head doesn't pop through. But yeah, now I got my Mishmoto fans on there with the fan shroud. I can't afford it right now. But yeah, so I got that all done. Went to go change my alternator, and that didn't really work out because I had a KA alternator laying around, and I thought that would work, and it didn't. It actually shorted my system. So what I did is put my other SR alternator for my other motor on, and that alternator is bad. So I think I need to buy a new alternator. And when you do buy a KA alternator, I figured this out, that you need a fucking 80 amp alternator, not a 90 amp, because that was the 90 amp that I had laying around. So it made it short. I'm going to try to buy an 80 amp and see if that works. And yeah, so I'll give you an update after that. and we'll go from there. Hey guys, so I got the radiator in. I just burped the whole system. These fans are fucking ridiculous. Like, they pull so hard. One fan cools the whole car, like no problem. So I shouldn't have overheating problems now at all, especially with the Koyo radiator and an end flow, and its end flow too. And then on top of that, the good badass fans. I just need to wire up the fans, but yeah. So I installed the new alternator. The alternator actually has been sitting for so long that I guess something's hit a switch and now it's fine. It doesn't throw a battery light. I'm creating 14.5 volts. So the alternator is fine, which is fucking great news. The radiator is fucking great. Like, it dissipates heat so well. It's ridiculous. And then the fans, I was only running one fan and it was fine. I used to do the wiring for it. But yeah, guys, I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave a comment in the comment section. And peace.